YouTube, we back at it next day. Out here going through hell. I don't know if you watched my last video, but I ran out of gas. Now I didn't even had a light on. It literally went 40 miles and just ran out. Which had me so mad because now I'm dealing with it, trying to get this, getting my diesel started. I already tried bleeding it, priming it. I'll try a few more things and see how that work out later today. But right now, we slide into the powder coat shop. I'm about to grab this trans cover from my boy, grab that. Then we about to go to the shop, slide to Antonio, grab the paint, and start assembling the rest of this stuff. So stay tuned and let's get it. Pull it over, getting a nice good ticket. Text across the sky. So I got a nice ticket for today. I'm having a terrible day, but we're gonna learn to stop at these stop signs today, I tell you that. So we're about to go to this powder coat shop and grab this piece real fast. Look, I'm gonna lie to you, this is a stop sign I probably would usually run right here, but we stopping today, and from every time on, I don't need no more tickets. I just told myself I don't want no more tickets. And here we are with another ticket, golly. So we're about to try to stay focused, man. We picked up the candy blue piece. Back in the shop. Let's pull it up. This thing is so much organized, way better. But yeah, man, I'm about to get some work done. I'm gonna pick up these pieces for the street glide right here. Baby, about to go get the paint for this joint. Get this thing rolling. So we coming, man. About to get some work done today. Stay tuned, y'all. Super good. Yeah, look just like it. It's super bright. Shit looks so good. God. Good ass job. After getting up, struggling to start my truck, still ain't got it started. Getting a ticket. I can honestly say this is the best part about my day, is picking up my paint and putting my bike together. So we about to be rolling. We're back in the shop. Got all the paint. I'm missing one piece. This one for the right side. I'm about to go back and pick it up. But we got everything looking nice and good. Even got the helmet. Got the gas tank already on that joint. Coming along, man. We are coming along. Stay tuned. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna leave my legs for now and try to find some chrome ones, because I don't got too much black on my bike. I kind of want to leave the chrome since I got the chrome pipe. I don't have nothing too much really black, but the grips. So I'm trying to figure out everything right now, but we coming, man. Stay tuned. So I still gotta assemble the front fender. I'm still going back and forth with the leg, so I haven't installed that yet. I got the leg warmers, so we're gonna do that next. I have to just clean up and move some stuff around, but we got a lot of stuff completed on this thing. We got the bags complete, the gas tank, got the fenders on there. It's looking amazing. It's looking real good. Only thing that just got me iffy now about this bike, I'm not sure if I'm going chrome or black, because I have a chrome pipe. That's why I haven't blacked too much and nothing out yet. But now I'm starting to really look at it from afar. So I'm trying to make my mind up, but Antonio got pretty close with the colors, the powder coating, so that worked out well. But like I said again, this thing is looking amazing. It's crazy to see it back complete. But we're coming, man. We're getting it together, y'all. We're almost there. Almost. So we're back at it the next day, baby. We're about to head to the shop. Got me some extra stuff. I still got these kicks. I'm gonna go drop these off at the crib. But we headed to the shop, man. We about to go get it in, get these bikes done, get it rolling, get it going, and get it grooving, and get it moving. So please, let's stay tuned and see what your boy got going on, man. We back in this joint. My nigga that slid out here. We're trying to get some work done, man. Man, we coming. Got that road glide ready to go. Yeah, we about to get these bikes rolling. We got some power in this joint. I'm about to throw the pieces on this bad, baby. Yeah, that light got that shit right. Sure, that shit look good in the light. Oh, you on me. Got these joints bust down. Nah, for sure. Them wheels gonna make that shit stand out. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, man. We coming, dog. Look at my nigga. I don't think this dude ready. That shit look good. And after hours, we done finally got the bike complete. Not fully complete, but we got it like halfway there. Took us a minute, man. I couldn't really record too much. We're both being hands-on at the moment, but made a lot of progress. I have to cut the flash on for y'all, but got everything coming along. These blues look good together, man. This thing is nice. It's coming along. This whole bike transformed. Got the color louvers with the hand controls. New wheel. It's coming along well, man. It's coming. Stay tuned. So I'm about to try to get some work done while I can. I got like an hour left, and tomorrow we got like very little time. So I'm gonna try to wire my bars, connect them, connect my hand controls back. I'll just have to get my headlight. I need to get one like ASAP. Besides that, I gotta just take off this leg and add some fluid to it. So that's the only thing really holding me up. Besides that, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I gotta just charge my battery up. Yeah, man, we almost there. Almost there, man. Just keep working. It's coming. We done took this thing apart. I gotta finish doing this leg so I can put my wheel on and don't got the bouncy bounce. These last parts are about to be sliding. Almost there. This dude got the fender panels, back fender. Got the rest. We coming. About to be sliding. Tomorrow we pull it out. What up, YouTube? We back at it the next day, man. It's sliding. I gotta run up to the shop. Finally got my damn propane tank for the shop for the heater. I got my fuel pump for my truck in the back of the trunk. The one I got from AutoZone last night. But so I went ahead and went to Harley. I met my boy up there. I ended up grabbing my mirrors, my headlight bezel, all my fluids and small stuff. So I just took everything off. We're still assembling the leg warmers. We about to do that. Ooh, that helmet look good sitting on there. We about to do that. I'm about to fix my last leg, put the wheel on there, assemble the leg warmers. I met up with some guy with a headlight. It was the wrong one. So I'm about to go back to Harley, go buy this $200 headlight, do that. That'll be the last of the last. Just gotta charge my battery and we're gonna slide. So let's stay tuned. We're putting on the exhaust on this joint. My boy went to Antonio to go get some last little parts. So we're about to get it all going. Stay tuned, y'all. Coming. A lot more space in the shop now. All these parts getting put on these bikes. A lot more space. Coming though, man. Stay tuned. So I just left Harley again. I just finally went and got the right headlight. Had to spend some money, but it's all good. Determined to get this ride in today. Look crazy as hell, but I didn't record nothing. I should have recorded. Fuel pump went out. Changed the fuel pump last night, struggling for hours. Pulling the tank back down. Last night I had it out, but this tube this morning when I put gas started leaking, so I had to undo it. So now I gotta put it on right there and push the tank back up. There's diesel, LB7. So we finally just fixed it. I got both straps, this one. Oh, dude. This one and that one. Got both of those bolts up there. So we finally got that, and we got this fuel line straight now. At first it was twisted, and now I got it perfectly straight. So now when I put the gas, it should go. Last time I put the gas in, it spit back out. Had to get these top 3 bolts, so we in the game now. So we just pulling off from the gas station. I just put 10, then another 20, so 30. So basically I had to put the 10. So basically last night, me and my pops was doing this, and I completed everything, but no, I actually didn't complete it last night. Yeah, I completed it last night, but the truck wouldn't start still. So we finally let the air out and got it to start today. I had to go back over it once I left and went to the gas station because I had gas coming out and I couldn't really get a good glimpse. And then when I finally found out where the gas was coming from, I seen the tube twisted. So immediately I told myself, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just drop the whole tank like I just did and fix it. Now I'm back in the game. I got my truck running. Truck was down. I couldn't make no money. I had people hitting me for cars, furniture, tows, everything you could think of, and I felt like a straight idiot to have something that's not working for me. Like, so we're back in the game, man. We got it going. So we're about to get back to the shop tomorrow, Monday. New week, new money. Get back up on that, man. Get the bike going and everything else. So we coming, man. Stay tuned, y'all. So right now we sliding to like Azusa. My boy Ray, I think he in his 5th gen Camaro. He having a little problem, so I went to his house to grab his trailer. I'm about to go pick him up. He one person for sure I know I can call, and he'll come get me in my car, bike, whatever. So that's why I'm like, I'm gonna return the same energy to help my boy out. So we sliding. Pull it back up. I'm about to offload this joint. Get it going.